All right, let's go to the market. We need to pick up some groceries for today.
Yay, I love going to the market. Let's buy lots of yummy food.
So, what should we get today? Do we need vegetables, meat, or fruit? Do we need anything else, or is that everything on our list?
Let's make a list first so we don't forget anything.
Good idea. Don't forget to buy vegetables. We need them for lunch.
Got it. I'll remember.
Let's get fresh ones.
Wow, these vegetables look really fresh today.
Yeah, they do. Go ahead and pick the fresh ones, okay? Check the leaves carefully before you choose.
This one doesn't look very fresh to me.
Don't choose the wilted leaves. They're not good.
Okay, I'll pick the greener ones. These look much better.
We also need some herbs for cooking.
Oh, these smell nice. Let's get a bunch of herbs.
Excuse me, how much is a kilo of cabbage today?
Mom, that one looks really fresh.
It's $1.50 today, a very good price.
Mom, can she give us a discount?
Let's shop around first and see if we can find a better deal. All right, let's buy some pork for dinner. We need something fresh. Hi, I'd like half a kilo of pork, please. Do you have a fresh cut today? Is this lean or fatty? I don't want too much fat.
I think this one looks a bit fatty. Maybe we should pick another piece?
Could you cut this into small pieces for me, please?
And make it thin slices, please. We're cooking soup, right? You got it.
Hey, Mom, can we get some mincemeat too? It looks really fresh.
Sure, good idea. We can use it for cooking soup or something else. All right, I'll take this one. It looks like a good piece. All right, that's a good deal. I'll take it.
Yay, we're getting a bargain. That's awesome.
Okay, let's get some fruit for dessert. What do you want?
Wow, look at all these fruits. There are so many choices.
These mangoes look really sweet. Let me check this one.
This one feels soft. I think it's ripe, right?
Yeah, that's what we want. Let's pick ripe fruit so it tastes sweet. Excuse me, how much are these apples today?
This one looks really good, Mom. It's nice and shiny.
This watermelon looks pretty fresh. Let me tap it real quick.
Wait, let me check too. I want to hear the sound. Mom, can we buy some bananas? They look really nice.
Sure, go ahead and pick a good bunch. All right, put it in the basket carefully.
Okay, I'll hold the basket steady for you.
Hey, don't run around like that. It's not safe here.
Sorry, Mom. I won't do it again.
I know, sweetie. Just stay close. Can you help me carry this bag? Be careful. It's heavy. Hold it tight so you don't drop it. Excuse me, how much is this in total?
Mom, did we get everything we need?
That's a bit too pricey for all this.
Yeah, maybe we should ask again and see if they can lower it.
Could you give me a better price for these, please?
Please, we're buying a lot.
All right, 35. How's that?
All right, I'll take it if it's a little cheaper.
Yes, that sounds like a good deal.
All right, here's the money. Thank you so much.
Keep the change. Thank you.
Okay, we're almost done here. Let's head out.
Yay!